Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how you can set up the simple prestigious configuration on your Minecraft server. I'm going to use the lifesteal server for this, but you don't actually need the lifesteal setup to use this configuration. So you're going to want to get started by downloading the configuration. On BuiltByBit, the download button is just here once you've purchased, or on Polymart, it will be up in the top right here. So I'm just going to download this. So once you've got your download, you're going to want to extract it. I'm just going to use the default Windows extractor. You open your folder and then the configuration files, and you'll find the deluxe menus folder here. Also, if you want to set up the incremental costs add-on, you're just going to want to come to downloadable add-ons and click incremental costs. We'll find that folder here. We can extract this folder. And once you go into the folder, you'll see a prestige.yml file. If you want to use the incremental costs, you're just going to want to copy the prestige.yml file and then come into the simple prestiges file, come into here, configuration files, deluxe menus, GUI menus, and then just paste it on top of this one here. However, I'm not going to do that for this tutorial, but the setup process is the same. So we also have our dependencies which we're going to need to download. In this case, it's Lifesteal Core, Deluxe Menus, and Placeholder API. Lifesteal Core is a premium resource which you'll need to purchase, but that is listed on the resource page before you buy it. So I'm going to download each of these plugins by clicking the Download Now button on each page. These will all be linked in the description as well. So because I am doing this from my Lifesteal setup, I've actually got Deluxe Menus and Placeholder API already. However, if you haven't got Deluxe Menus, you just want to put this in the plugins folder. Same thing with Placeholder API. And I will need to put Lifesteal Core in because that isn't included in the Lifesteal setup. And also, if you're using the Lifesteal setup, you want to delete the Health SMP plugin and folder. So if you've just put these plugins in new, you'll have to restart your server to generate the plugin folders. And then just head into the Deluxe Menus folder, go into GUI_menus. And then you can put the prestige.yml file just into here. Obviously, depending on which version you're using, you'll use that file. And then come back one folder, go to config.yml. And then in here, you're just going to want to add prestige and then a colon, and then go into a new line, do 2 spaces, type file, colon, and then prestige.yml. Use the same format as the rest of these menus, just prestige and then file prestige.yml. Make sure you use spaces as well and not tabs. And then you're just going to want to click save. And then we can restart our server. One more thing that I've just forgotten to mention is you're going to have to go into your Lifesteal Core config and change the maximum amount of hearts to 20. So that can be changed right here. If you want the default maximum to be more, you can change it here and also in the prestigious.yml file. But information on how to change all that stuff can be found on the documentation, which I'll also link in the description. And now I've just joined the Lifesteal server. So if I do /prestige, you'll see the menus here. The menu pops up. And I can confirm my prestige if I want. I don't currently have enough hearts to do this, as if I purchased it now I would die, so I need 11 hearts to confirm my prestige, and cancel the menu, or there's prestige info here as well. So that's how you set up simple prestiges on your Minecraft server. If you need any help, make sure to join the Discord server linked down in the description. You can verify your purchase and then get help in the support forum where we can help you out. Apart from that, thank you very much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.